It's time to realize your own potential. As you focus deeply on the rhythm, style and pattern of your breathing, as you breathe in, notice where it starts and how long it stays in the same place and moves in and out with each cycle. What you are doing now is pacing your own breathing so that you can recognize how it feels to breathe this fast or slow, or whatever rhythm feels right for you. When you gain the momentum of being in the flow, you can then begin to notice as you bring your eyes up to a position where you can see the other person breathing too. Now notice as you breathe what is happening in the other person's breathing pattern too, and start to mirror their rhythm, style and pace. It is important to understand that while you're doing this, you will need to manage your own state and gain a momentum of being in tune with their breathing, style, rhythm and pace, leading them to a place where they are willing to listen to your voice as you begin the process of helping them to relax easily. In the next video, we will explore the potential of your voice to coincide with their breathing patterns at the rate and speed at which they are able to go deeper into a trance.
Sign up to the Virtual World Coaching Academy newsletter for channeled articles direct to your inbox. The link is in the description. Sign up today.